By the year 2030, people are expecting something pretty cool, a world where the physical and digital worlds blend together seamlessly. Applications that can exploit this will need smart connectivity technologies to be able to communicate without any lag or interruptions, or it'll ruin the experience, or worse, cause accidents. The REINDEER project is working on a cell-free, massive MIMO approach for such 6G applications, called RadioWeaves. The project partners have defined 13 use cases to better understand the requirements of the future. Let's explore the second cluster of use cases, focusing on immersive entertainment for crowds of people. Think of a tennis arena. Within a 90-meter by 60-meter arena, around a court area of 35-meter by 20 meters, approximately 15,000 individuals will be seated on 40 rows with 350 persons per row, and just the same number of smartphones or other mixed reality devices. The surfaces are expected to be a mix of reflective and absorptive. The ceiling is not covered, except for bleacher levels. RadioWeaves antennas and service points will be mounted on seatbacks, bleacher ceilings, and regularly placed objects. External power supply for service points might not be available at every location. This cell-free infrastructure setting provides a reliable connection while supporting a very high number of devices and moving sensors. Working at gigahertz frequencies ensures a simultaneous high data rate. Positioning accuracy, low latency, and real-time processing via local edge computing will be supported too. The use cases for this setting include augmented reality for sport events. With augmented reality for sports events, fans get instant access to real-time data like player ID and positions or event location infos, all visualized on their augmented reality devices. Sensors provide live data to a central hub, which combines and processes multiple inputs to deliver unique insights. Contact tracing and people tracking in large venues. Contact tracing can be crucial to track unsafe interactions and optimize safety measures during large events. Passive tags can be used to preserve privacy. Location-based information transfer. With wearable tech or smart devices, essential information like the nearest food stall, object descriptions, nearby amenities, and emergency evacuation routes can be accessed quickly.